What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play Wonder by SHAWN Mendes on the good old uke. As always with every ukulele tutorial, I will include a skip to section right here where you can skip to either the chords, the chord progression, or the strumming for the song if you don't want to sit through an entire 10-minute video. I totally get it, I totally understand, but if you do, I would love you forever. Also, what I do want to note is I do have a Patreon account where I will be putting the full play along for the song, which consists of the chords and lyrics on screen while I strum and sing the entire song. I'll make sure to link that in the description below. Make sure to check all the links in the description, my socials, Instagram, Twitter, Patreon, all the good stuff will be down below. Also, the full chord sheet, which is the lyrics and chords, will also be down below for your convenience. You can copy and paste it, keep it for yourself, and do with it what you will. But let's go ahead and learn the chords that we need for this song. So this song came out literally like an hour ago, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna play around with the chords, see what sounds good, and I actually got it within like 30 minutes, so tap on the back for me. But the chords that we need are F, B flat, G minor, and D minor. So if you're like, Ricky, I know all those chords, and move on to the chord progression or the strumming, again, I got you. The skip to section will be your best friend. Just skip to whatever timestamp it says on screen right now. But if you're like, Ricky, I just started playing a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago, I literally just picked up uke. I don't know where to put my fingers on the uke. Please help me. Don't worry, this is why this video exists. We're gonna go step by step on where to put our fingers on the uke for each chord, and then we'll talk about chord progression, and then finally the strumming. So if you wanna learn the chords, then just keep on watching. Alright, so let's learn these chords. As always, I will include a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see and then have me talk you through it. So the first chord that we're going to learn is the B flat chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to go over the bottom two strings, which is the second and first string on the first fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the third string, second fret. Then you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the fourth string, third fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the F chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the second string, first fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the fourth string, second fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the G minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the first string, first fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the third string, second fret. Then you're going to place your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the second string, third fret, and it should sound like this. And the last chord that we need is the D minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the second string, first fret. And then you can either take your middle finger and go over the top two strings, which is the fourth and third string on the second fret. Or, this is another way you can do it, is you can take your middle finger, place it on the fourth string, second fret, and then your ring finger on the third string, second fret, and it should sound like this. So those are all the chords that we need for this song. If you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord you need a little bit more time on, and then once the chords sound crisp and clear, press play, and then let's talk about the chord progression that we're going to use for the song and then the strumming. So if you want to learn the chord progression, then just keep on watching. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's talk about the chord progression for the song, which is actually super simple because it's the exact same way throughout the entire song. So once you memorize that, you basically have the entire song on lock. So it's going to go from F, then it's going to go to G minor, and then D minor, and then B flat. So again, F, G minor, D minor, and then B flat. So that is the entire chord progression for this song, and literally once you memorize that, you honestly have the entire song down with the chords. So now that we talked about the chord progression, let's talk about how we actually play the song. With the strumming, I'm going to teach you 2 different ways how to do that. So if you want to learn the strumming, then just keep on watching. Alright, so we learned the chords and we learned the chord progression. Now let's talk about how we're going to play the song with the strumming. I'm going to teach you 2 different ways. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I don't want to deal with strumming. I'm trying to go through chords. I'm trying to sing the song. I love Shawn Mendes. I just want to get through this. I get you. I got you. So the first way we're going to do is just with a down strum. So whenever you see a chord change, just strum down. And you can strum with your thumb or your pointer finger, really just whatever feels more comfortable for you, but I kind of just like to strum down with my thumb. So again, whenever you see a chord change, just strum down. And again, the chord sheet will be in the description of this video. It's super convenient because I'm going to put the actual chord right above the word so you know exactly when to change chords. Now let's talk about the other way, which is with the actual strumming pattern. So we're going to start off with the F chord, and it's going to be down, down, up, 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 down. So let's do that one more time. In 3, 2, 1. Down, down, up, 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 down. So once you do it a little bit quicker, it's going to go. So again, it's going to be down, down, up, 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 down. So again, it's just going to go, let's go from F to G minor. In 3, 2, 1. Down, down, up, 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 down, G minor, down, down, up, 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 down. And then you just go to the rest of the chords, and literally you play that strumming pattern once for every chord, and you just go through it with the chord progression. So that is pretty much it. So again, let's just go ahead and recap with the strumming. You can either go strum down for every chord, or you can do the down, down, up, 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 down strumming pattern once for every chord, and then there you have it. Alright, so we talked about the chords, the chord progression, and the different ways you can play this song. Congratulations, you now know how to play Wonder by Shawn Mendes on the good old uke. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube if you haven't already. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to you for clicking on this video and watching this video. It really does mean a lot to me that you clicked on it and you watched it, and hopefully it helped you learn one of your favorite songs. This is honestly gonna be one of my favorite songs, and it's gonna be on repeat. Again, this song just came out like an hour and a half ago, so it's definitely very brand new, and I'm so happy that we got to learn and hang out with each other for these 10-15 minutes. I really appreciate you hanging out. If you do want to get this uke, if you're like, Ricky, what is that uke? This is an Enya ukulele. It is a concert size uke, and it is $75. I'll leave a link in the description below to the Amazon page where you can get this, and we can be uke twins. Again, this uke is an absolutely amazing color. It's like a greenish blue, and it's a concert size, and it's $75. You can't beat that, you know what I mean? It's a great uke, a great price, and I highly recommend it. So again, link will be in the description below where to get this. We can be uke twins. Another thing that I want to mention is we do have merch for this channel. I'm trying to set this uke down and not like make it fall, but we do have merch for this channel. I am wearing it right now. This is our Uke Fam logo. If you do want to get some merch, it'll be linked in the description below. I highly recommend that you do get it because it's so comfortable, and that's all I wear. My entire outfits are my merch, which is kind of narcissistic, but what are you gonna do about it? Also, finally, if you want to get more behind the scenes and kind of like a look into my day-to-day life, follow me on Instagram. It's just at Ricky Somborn. We've reached over 56,000 Instagram family members, and I would love for you to join if you haven't already. Send me a DM letting me know what video you came from, and if you have any song recommendations, you can either send me a DM on Instagram or leave them in the comments below. I always love to hear your feedback and comment back because honestly, I don't get that many comments. So if you want to comment below, leave some love, say you liked it, hated it, didn't think either or, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to read your comments, and thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it. And again, if you want to support me on Patreon, that will be linked below, or you can just go right here, and I just typed that into the website. But thank you so much for watching this. I hope you really liked it. I really love this song, and this song came out like an hour and a half ago, so it's brand new. Hopefully we're one of the first. Let me know if this is the first video you see on YouTube for this cover or for this tutorial. Anyways, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.